Hey guys, it's Melanie. I'm back with another wood Dollar Tree video, wooden Dollar Tree. You know, we're going to do something with the wooden products from the Dollar Tree, but we're going to stain them using something I found at Dollar Tree. A lot of people ask me about stain. You know, can you get stain from Dollar Tree? Usually you can't find anything like stain at the Dollar Tree. You can paint, that kind of stuff. I have a big thing of stain in the color that I really like, a couple colors, and it's not too expensive at all, and then I just keep it on hand. But a lot of people say, you know, well, if you're going to use stain that's not from Dollar Tree, then, you know, it's not truly a everything from Dollar Tree craft. So that was a really long intro to tell you. We are going to try to use these. I found a 3-pack for $1. This is supposed to be cherry. I'll show you up close in a second. Oak and maple. Not really sure. Haven't tried these yet. We're going to see how well they actually work and try to use these. These are not like for staining your products. These are markers. If you have something stained this color and has a chip in it, you're supposed to be able to mark it and color it in, which we can try that also. But I have a theory that if I color something with one of these and then I soak it in water, it's going to kind of look more stained. I don't know. It may totally fail, but we're going to try to use these like a stain. I'm like a minute into this intro already. All right, let's try this. Okay, if you can hear that, that's actually the water running. I asked my husband to go get me some water to try this. So I'm going to go ahead and try with this. This is going to be a project that I'm going to try to make. Something like this. I think that might be a really cool planter. Anyway, I'll have that in a separate video, same week. Anyway, I'm going to try this dark color. So I'm going to show you guys up close. This is supposed to be maple. And this is supposed to be oak. And this is supposed to be cherry. So I'm going to try this because this looks kind of more like a walnut. We'll see. Anyway, I have a bowl full of water. I hope this works. And some paper towels. We'll see. My theory is that once it's on there, if you water it down, it's going to get rid of the markings, if you will. I'm just going to go ahead and get a couple of these ready. We'll see. I hope this works. I tremendously hope this works. Okay. I'm just going to try this first row. Actually, I may have wanted to sand this down. Oh, well. Okay. I'm going to color it as evenly as I can. Yeah, this definitely looks more like a walnut than a cherry. I don't really want too many marker lines, so maybe I should be coloring in a circle. But I'm just going to, I don't know, color like this and see if the water does it or not. If not, I may have to paint over this because I may be messing it up. I'm trying not to overlap it. All right. I'm going to do just this one and then try the water and see if it does dilute it enough. All right, guys, almost done with this one. I hope this works. This is pretty much a marker, just like in the color of whatever. Maybe you could even stain these like using markers, like red and blue and green kind of colors. That might be super cool for his kids' room. So anyway, here's what it looks like. See how you can totally see the markers? Okay. And now I'm going to take a paper towel, put this over. This coffee table, by the way, was on clearance at Walmart. Super excited about it. And now I'm going to totally drench this and try to wipe it in and see if it dilutes it enough or if it's just too soaked in. It's not working. All right, I'm going to have to go with option 2, I think. I thought it might be more like a paint or stain because you could thin out stain after it's on there if you hurry up. It's not working. So I may have to just do some more layers over that. The other option is to just wet it or I don't know, guys. See, it's not working like I hoped. Okay. The other option would be to ruin a whole marker by letting it sit in water and then trying to apply it. But to be honest, these are basically just markers. They are not what I thought they were going to be. They're a little bit different than what you would find as at the department store, or not department store, sorry, like at the like Home Depot or Lowe's. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know, guys. All right, I'm going to try this, coloring it a different. I'm determined to make this work without having to ruin a marker. I'm going to try to do just straight lines across. So I'm going to, that way I don't see the coloring. So I'm going to go from all the way to one side, all the way to another, all the way from one side. That way I might get a little bit of overlap this way, but I'm not going to get any overlap to where it looks very much like a marker. All right, guys, this is kind of working. I feel like this might need something to seal it in though, because it is like a marker and it might, you know what I mean? So you may want to top coat this. All right, I don't hate that. I still feel like I'm going to need to paint this because of what I did to the top, but there's that one. The wood did some weird thing there, and that's where the wood changes, but I don't hate that. All right, I'm going to try to do that to the top one, like a second layer, straight across, and see if I can't save it. If you guys have any better ideas, let me know. But I think if I get another marker, I could just let it sit in the water and then just like dunk this in if it was like, or like paint it on kind of a deal. But to be honest, guys, I think you can get a brown marker and do this too. I'm gonna have to do this the whole way around. Okay, that's turning out so much better. It's the top one. All right, I'm gonna put a second layer on this one. Okay, all right, guys. Okay, so 1 layer, 2 layers, all the way across. Guys, this looks so good. 10 out of 10 recommend. All right, I'm gonna make this into a craft and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end of the video, and then I will link what I did to make that craft at the bottom. But 10 out of 10, this one is this color right here. I love. Video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe for DIYs every single week. I can't reach the button. Bye, y'all. Love yous.